In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to send your task into a teamwork chat so that we can communicate properly and let everyone know what tasks that we are working on for the day, right? So I am currently in the FOCO project within Teamwork. And as you can see, I have my FOCO affiliate marketing task list open. And when I scroll down, I have the task for Riley. Riley is working on the FOCO strategy sheet cleanup. So what you have to do is click into that task. Then you can pull the URL up here by Command C, copying this. And then go into your teamwork chat, right? And I'll go into the interns chat and I will put Command V, or aka paste. You could right click and do paste and put that URL into my teamwork chat. So now when I put that task in there, it's going to show up natively because it is a teamwork product, the chat. So it's going to show up, and now I can say, at Joe, or let's say at, whoever it might be, usually me, Joel, or Michael, and say, hey, is this the right task I should work on for today, right? And my spelling is terrible. But that's pretty much the gist of it. All you got to do is go into the task, make sure you're in the individual task record, copy the link, go into your teamwork chat, and paste that task in there. Then we can all communicate and say, hey, this is the right task, or hey, let me go into it. Maybe I need to leave a comment and say, this is wrong, or whatever it might be, or hey, this looks great, or maybe I need to come into the description and edit the description here, which in this case it looks like I need to. So yeah, hopefully this is helpful. If you have any questions though, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.